Hello, my name is David Tauta, and I will make the explaining of exercise 2. The topic is your learning in Power Apps Workshop 2. During the meeting, strategies for understanding text are shared using images and identify keywords. What activities were carried out during this session? Discuss with the partner, understand and read about culture, experience, identify main ideas and details, learn vocabulary related to culture and tradition, ready stretch. One or more example explained the tutor. What traditions are important in your region? In my region and municipality, the vegetable fairs and the Rocking King, Constant and John are very important. Solver or show some of the exercises done in class. Underline food, coconut rice, frying fish, French tropic fruits. Underline cultural information, eating in the local restaurant, and talking to some local people who explained the story of Cartagena and the importance of preserving cultural tradition. Explain why this topic is important for your learning. This practice allows us to identify the importance of identity tips for carrying out an accurate comprehension process when ready, allowing us to be clear about which tools we can use in responding to our approaching text. Thanks.